So right now for lunch I'm cooking, I had cooked 1 cup of white rice. And this is the rice. With 1 7-ounce bag of this cheese, with some chicken breast that I had cooked and shredded up, with a 1/2 cup of water and a 1/2 cup of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. He still has stitches in his mouth, so he has to have soft foods. And when that heals all the way up, he can go back to what his regular diet was. My son had lost a lot of weight like myself, so he's down, pretty much down. He lost 83 pounds. He's 200 pounds now. He fluctuates between 200 and 210 pounds now for the last 2 to 3 months. So he's not pre-diabetic or anything like that, but with his stuff going on with his mouth and change of eating, he has lost a lot of weight, and I do mean a lot of weight. So that is what he's having for lunch today. I will have a small portion, like 1/4 of a cup for lunch, because it has the white rice in there. And I'm not super hungry anyways. I don't eat big amounts. I lost weight, and I'm not trying to lose any more weight or gain a whole bunch of weight back. So I will have the links in the description box below the video to these items that we purchased. These were all purchased at Walmart. And even this pot, this is a really good pot. Very good quality. I will have the link of that in the description box below the video as well.